Hello everyone, this is Eswar Kumar, Faculty of Current Affairs and Geography, and I have been in this teaching field since 7 years and dealing Geography and Current Affairs for UPSC, Civil Services, Staff Selection Commission examinations, as well as groups like PPSC and TSPSC examinations. So in this video, I'm going to explain about Rave Party. So why it was, whether it is illegal or legal in India, why police departments are arresting the participants of rave parties. So all the details that we are going to discuss in this video. Let's just start. See, my dear friends. See, what is the definition of rave? What is the definition of rave according to the dictionary of Cambridge? You can find here, rave is a verb talk in a noisy, excited or a declamatory manner. So the meaning for rave is that talk in a noisy place, and also it is an excited and also declamatory manner. And one more verb is that praise enthusiastically. So and one more thing is an extravagantly enthusiastic review, right? So rave is nothing but excited. It's a meaning for excited. Coming to here, when the rave party was started, from which country it was originated and spread in the world. So it was started in England in the year 1950s. The year 1950s. So in the England, people used to gather at a particular place, and the people used to have drinks, some other narcotic drugs, and also they used to do dance along with their friends, both male and female friends. Okay, so from England, it was spread all over India. And when it came to India in the year 1990s, so this rave party culture came into India, right? Then after that, it spread into various parts of India and also metropolitan cities like Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, such type of cities. Coming to here, coming to here, is it rave parties are legal or illegal in India? So let's have a look on it. Let's see what our Supreme Court is saying about rave parties and what is our constitution saying about these rave parties and also Indian Penal Code. So let's have a look over it. In our acts, we have one act called NDPSC Act, the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act, which was came into the year 1985. So this act prohibits the following things. One is the production of the good, production of the narcotic drugs, manufacturing, possession means if a person contains the banned narcotic drugs, then the person can be arrested, right? And if a person sells and the person who purchases will be liable according to this NDPS Act. So finally, this act prohibits the production, manufacture, possession, sale, purchase, transportation, and use of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. But here one clause is there, one exception is there. We can use these banned narcotic drugs for medical and scientific purposes, right? So we can use these narcotic drugs for medical and scientific purposes, but we have to take the license. If we have license, we can use that narcotic drugs for not consuming for medical purpose and also for research and development as well scientific purposes, right? So that's the act is saying. And one more thing, under section 21 of 27 of NDPS Act is that whoever consumes any narcotic drug or psychotropic substance shall be punishable with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may be extended to 1 year, or sometimes court may levy a fine around 20,000 rupees, or sometimes both. Right, so according to 27 of NDPS Act, court can levy a fine of 20,000 or else 1 year jail sentence, or both. Sometimes if a court feels necessary, then court may levy both punishment as well as means jail sentence as well as a fine in the form of monetary. Right. So then coming to here, what are the drugs that were banned by India? What were the drugs that were banned by India? Like drugs like analgin, cisapride, droperidol, furazolidine, nimusolide, nitrofurazone, pinolophthalin, so such type of drugs, and also drugs like caffeine, cocaine, ganja, marujima, such type of drugs also banned by Indian government. Okay, coming to here. What is our Indian Penal Code saying about narcotics? See here we have section called 294 of Indian Penal Code, which is related to obscene acts and songs. Okay, so if any person creating nuisance in the public with high of frequency songs, or else if a person is doing committing any acts which are going to create nuisance in the public, then the person can be penalized or else taken to the jail. Okay, so according to 294, if a person is creating some nuisance which disturbs the other persons, then he can taken to the behind the bars. He can kept behind the bars. And also as per the section 268 of Indian Penal Code, which comes under public nuisance, and also section 290, which is a punishment for public nuisance, can be applied if a rave party causes disturbance or annoyance to the public. If rave party, if rave party creates any disturbance to the public by obscene scenes, illegal activities, next with the songs, with the music parties, with the bands, then police can enter into and arrest those event managers. Okay, that's the thing. And what is our Supreme Court saying about these rave parties? See, my dear friends, here in the case related to like Arjun Singh versus State of Maharashtra 2003. In this case, Bombay High Court ruled that attending rave party does not constitute an offense. Means if you are attending for any rave party, it's not an offense. Then when it will be offense? If you are caught with the possession of the drugs. If you are caught with the possession of the drugs, or if you are caught with the consuming of the drugs, then it is a crime. Then case can be booked against you according to NDPS Act 1985. Okay, and coming to State of Andhra Pradesh versus Gaji Mohiddin 2017 case. In this case, the Hyderabad High Court ruled that the mere presence of an individual at a rave party does not constitute an offence under NDPS Act unless they are proven to be consuming, possessing, or trading drugs. So, one thing is here finally, our courts are saying that, our Supreme Court of India and High Courts are saying that mere presence at the rave party is not a illegal activity. Then, if a person possesses the drugs, if a person takes the drugs or sells the drugs, transports the drugs, then the person can be arrested and kept behind the bars. That's the thing. So, whenever any person caught in the rave party, as soon as that police department will send that persons to hospitals, they will for collecting of blood samples. In the blood sample, if the hospital like health like doctors finds the presence of any banned drugs, then case will be booked against that persons. If there is no presence of the drugs in the blood, then the person will be left freely. Then there won't be any cases against that persons, right? So it is this is the thing that we need to understand related to rave parties. Thank you, and please like this video, share this video, and also subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you so much. This is Eswar Kumar, Faculty of Current Affairs and Geography, signing off. Thank you. Jai Hind.